here with Aesthetic Line today, about to get some microblading on my eyebrows. I'm a little nervous, I heard it hurts really bad, but I wanted to document the entire process start to finish, so come on. Okay, y'all, so just to give you a quick rundown of what Ingrid's doing here before I kind of go to a little montage of brows. So she was just measuring kind of the width of my nose and my eyes and the spacing on my face and everything. And then she kind of drew out lines just to kind of show the symmetry and where everything was going to go so that I knew what was going on before she started. And yeah, I'm just going to cut to the whole process and show you guys a little brow montage real quick. Cream sit for 20 minutes. Look like a little map or like a math chart or something. But yeah, we're gonna let the numbing cream sit for 20 minutes and then we're gonna begin the microblading. I'm excited, kind of.
Parece que tuviera.
Doesn't look like...
It's confused.
Oh man.
It's confused.
That's perfect.
Se confunde con el pelo de ella.
That's what you want though.
Yeah,
No, this is...
mira, le quedó aquí así.
It's so amazing. Okay, now look at me.
Let me brush it. It.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she's saying.
So
She's like,
good.
it's confusing. You can't tell if it's...
Yeah.
That's exactly what I want. Amazing.
Se compró, dile que se le van a aclarar. Se le van a aclarar que en el segundo procedimiento vuelve y se le hacen los pelitos nuevamente.
Your brows
Okay.
like this.
Not too much.
How many times? Just once a day? Or?
I will do it 2 times a day.
Okay.
And then before you put it, make sure you clean it with just like
Water.
distilled water.
Okay.
And especially in this brow because
This
that was
one,
the
yeah.
one where we worked the most.
So morning and night to do that? Okay.
Morning and night
For how many days?
for 5 days.
5 days? Okay.
No water in there.
For... Okay.
And then no water and then
For
yeah,
24 hours?
Mm-hmm.
for
Okay.
24 hours. Perfect.
Okay.
Yay!
I love it. So it's the next day now, and I just wanted to kind of come and show you guys what everything, let me turn this down, but wanted to just show you guys what everything is looking like. This is the next day, so I got my eyebrows microbladed yesterday, and now it's Friday, and it's the next day after I got them done, and I just want to show you guys what they look like. So I woke up this morning, and I was a little like, whoa, they look super dark. They do look really dark the next day. But Ingrid, they did tell me that they kind of go in phases after you get them done. So right after you get them done, mine looked pretty good. So then they get a little bit darker. They start to itch. I could feel my left one starting to itch throughout the day, and you can't touch them. So you're just kind of doing like an awkward like eyebrow lift and everything. Like I said, you can't get them wet for 24 hours. So last night I didn't wear much makeup yesterday. So I just kind of washed from here down, and I used like a micellar water. You can use Bioderma, or I use the Garnier one. I love it. So on a cotton pad, and I just wiped here down and then washed with the washcloth here down. This morning, again, I just kind of was careful with it and then did my regular skincare around it. So tonight I will wash my face regularly. They do look pretty dark today. They look dark this morning. I can tell like a little bit, it's kind of starting to like scab up a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. Yeah, you can kind of see, I mean, I don't know, they look pretty good. But yeah, this one's a little itchy. This one is the one that they did like more work on. But I think they look pretty good. I feel no pain or anything like that. But yeah, you can just kind of see what they look like. They do look dark, but they said that kind of what happens is they will get darker and then they will fade to where you kind of look like you feel like you didn't get anything done. And then by like day 7 to 10, they'll settle into what they're going to look like. So I do go back for my follow-up and like round 2 where they touch everything up, and then that'll be my last visit. I go back in 5 weeks. So I booked my appointment for exactly 5 weeks after the first appointment just to keep it on time. I'm a very timely person. So 5 weeks out, and yeah, I'll update you guys with that too. But I just wanted to kind of close out this video and show you guys the next day. Let me know what you guys think. I've gotten like a lot of comments from people on Instagram and everything that they do want to check it out. Honestly, you guys, when you are doing anything to your face or body, like just do your research. Don't go to someone that you're unsure about or that you don't know anybody that's been to them, especially when it's your face. Let somebody mess your face up. Don't let somebody that you don't know or who comes like unrecommended touch your face. So I'm telling you honestly, I cannot recommend Aesthetic Line anymore. They were amazing. They took more time mapping out what they were gonna do than actually doing it. And to me, that's huge because they put the time into the preparation and the precision into the actual art and process of the microblading. But yeah, I mean, you guys saw in the video, they measure out everything. So they look at your nose in relation to your face and where your pupil is, where your eye ends. You can bring pictures. So if there is a shape, if you guys don't have full eyebrows naturally, like I have naturally pretty full brows, if you guys have less brow hair, bring a picture of a shape that you like, but they'll work with you to find a shape that will flatter your face. So bring something that you like, tell them what you want, tell them what you want to fix or what you want to just enhance and make look better. And they'll work with you and take their time to really just measure it out. If you guys are in Houston, I highly, highly, highly recommend them. If you guys aren't in Houston, fly down to Houston and go to Aesthetic Line. I mean, there's good people everywhere, but I can't recommend them enough, you guys. So if you guys do go check out Aesthetic Line and work with Ingrid, definitely tell them that I sent you. I'd love for them to know that I recommended you guys to them. But yeah, I am super happy and I'm like already looking forward to going back in 5 weeks for round 2. So I hope this was helpful for you guys to just see the whole process. I know microblading is kind of like a trendy thing right now, but I feel like not a lot of people actually show the process and what goes into it and like fully talk about it. And I wanted to show it from a perspective of somebody who kind of already has eyebrows and just really touching them up and making them look even better. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you guys are checking them out or if you've gotten microblading done or anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
That